I just got a Winsor and Newton Cotman watercolor Skechers pocket box for my trip to Italy. Let's unbox this baby together. Ooh, they're wrapped up like a box of chocolates. How pretty. Ooh, what is this? Oh my god. It's a teeny tiny paintbrush. Oh, stop. No, that's cute. Okay, let's unwrap these candies. Starting with Alizarin Crimson. Alizarin Crimson? My dogs come running when they hear a wrapper. No, this is not a piece of cheese, guys. Here's ultramarine. And intense blue. Get in there. Cadmium red, a pale hue. Cadmium yellow. I love the sound they make going in the tray. This one's lemon yellow. Emerald green. Sap green. Yellow ochre. Burnt sienna. This seriously makes me want to eat candy. I think it's the sound. Maybe the colors. I don't know. Burnt umber. And I should seriously just throw China white away. What do you even do with the white ones? Please tell me in the comments. That was fun. Okay, time to get them wet for the first time. No swatching. I'm just jumping right in. I'm too excited. Ooh, so pretty. It's so buttery. I'm enjoying this. This video is not sponsored, by the way. I could do this all day though. Alright, let's pack it up and put its packetback's name to the test. Oh yeah, perfect fit. Let's go paint.